Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw FTX money from BitGo. First, ensure your BitGo account is fully verified and linked to your FTX claim. You'll need to navigate to the designated withdrawal section within the BitGo platform. Carefully review all terms and conditions before proceeding. This process is designed to be secure, so expect several verification steps to protect your assets. Make sure all your personal information is current and accurate to avoid delays. Identity verification is a crucial part of the withdrawal process. BitGo requires comprehensive Know Your Customer, or KIC, documentation to comply with regulations and prevent fraud. You will likely need to upload clear images of a valid government-issued identification, like a passport or driver's license. Additionally, proof of address, such as a utility bill from the last 3 months, is often required. Ensure all documents are current and match your account details precisely. Once your identity is verified, you can initiate the withdrawal. Navigate to the withdrawal interface and specify the exact amount you wish to transfer. It's critical to double-check the recipient wallet address or bank account information. A single incorrect digit could result in irreversible loss of funds. Confirm all transaction fees and processing times before finalizing your request. You will typically receive a confirmation email or notification once the withdrawal is processed. After submitting your withdrawal, closely monitor its status within your BitGo account and at the receiving destination. Processing times can vary, sometimes taking a few hours or even several business days, depending on the asset and network conditions. Patience is key during this final stage. If you encounter any issues, contact BitGo support immediately for assistance. And hey, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Smart speaker, make sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.